here we are in Ohkami Ramen in Staten Island, and we go in and let's check it out. Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm here on Staten Island, Japanese ramen shop that is open recently on Eltingville Station. We ordered some appetizer, for example, like the oyster, pork bun, spicy cucumber. We ordered like chicken fried rice, and then also Ohkami miso ramen, and see how it tastes like. This is the spicy cucumber. It's a baby cucumber, like the tiny little one. Smells so good. I love the chili oil a lot. Spicy has a little sweet on it. It has vinegar, salt, and spicy, but the spicy is not mala. It's just like the normal like pepper, and that's it. They have like little tiny stuff. I'm not sure what. Oh, I think it's like bean curd and cilantro is very good. And this is the fried oyster, Japanese style. Smells so good. Feel like very fresh. When you order, they make it right away. It's not like pre-make. And this is the sauce. I think it might be a what's it called? The oyster is very fresh. Like it's very hot. It's burning my tongue. I'm loving this. And the batter is not like, it's only a little bit thin layer of batter, so it's not like thick little batter to cover the oyster, so you don't eat a lot of dough on it. It's very good. It's nice and juicy. This is the pork bun. It looks very nice. Very thick layer of pork belly, and it comes with two. So let's give a try. Ooh, nice, hot, and fresh. It's very, there's two slices of char siu there, like pork belly. Some mayo sauce, like cucumber, and some sauce. Oh my god, it just looks so good. The char siu is definitely grilled. It's just like everything is just so fresh and so hot. It's temperature wise, and pork belly doesn't feel chewy at all. It's like melting in your mouth. It's very juicy too. Look at this amount of meat. It don't feel rubbery at all. The way they grill it and put sauce on it, everything is just like tastes so good. But this is the Paitan ramen. It's so milky. I like it. Doesn't feel like too salty at all. Not creamy as I thought. It's very like you can taste the broth. And surprisingly here they give you half-boiled egg. It's very half-boiled. Look at this. I don't like the place where they don't serve half-boiled. When they say half-boiled, it's mostly like cooked. This is the one I want. And then they give you coin, little paste here, little ground pork. I think it's ground pork. It's a little spicy. It's cold little item. The bamboo shoot, and then they have the char siu here, so thick slices. This paste is good. When you order, they make it. They make it while after you order, not like pre-made in there, you know. And the portion wise is very good in here. I guess like probably because this is not in the city Manhattan, that's why it's like different and price is cheaper. And overall the appetizer is very good too. Like this soup, I think this is what I want. Something like Japanese ramen, they have a very thick broth, but it's very salty. But this is good. Like even though it's not like super thick, but it's very good. The level of saltiness. Definitely taste some bone in it. It's very good. It's not super hard, it's not super soggy, so I love it. And the char siu. Well, the char siu here, the pork belly, the fat, it's not really super melt into your mouth, but it's definitely not rubbery, not chewy at all. Oh, this paste is just so good. I love this ground little meat here. And the price is definitely not expensive compared like in the city. It's probably because we're in a suburban area. And the bamboo soup. It's crunchy and fresh. I like it.
Okay, so I have the Ohkami spicy miso ramen. Looks like there's some ground pork or meat. I'm not sure if it's meat or pork. Char siu here. Some sprouts, half-boiled egg. So we'll mix it up a little bit. Good. A very rich flavor. Kind of a creamy taste. Let me see how this brown stuff tastes. Not too much flavor to that actually. A little hard to pick out, but let's see how the char siu tastes. This is not super melt in your mouth. It's a little more firm. So I have had ones that are more tender, but the flavor's good. It's not rubbery. Let's try this shoot. Tastes like shoot. Pretty soft. And we'll try the noodles. Noodles are good. Spicy level is not too bad. They tried to keep it mild. Waiter is very proactive in coming and saying, oh, if the level is not too good, we can add more spicy cheese. So it's actually kind of nice they actually do that. The egg is very nice. You can see that just nice amount of liquidness to it. A little bit of runniness. And if you're a fan of soft-boiled egg, you definitely want to try this one. Definitely better than the average one.
So here we go. This is the tempura fried ice cream. It's tempura skin with vanilla flavor. Look at this. Ooh. I had it before, so it's gonna taste as usual. Nice, fresh and hot. The outside the skin, tempura. With inside cold ice cream, it's very refreshing. I feel like it's nothing really special here. Let's try the yuzu cheesecake. This is more like interesting. First time had this kind of yuzu flavor cheesecake. I could smell some citrus on it. It's definitely strong citrus inside yuzu. Oh, I love this. I love this. And this is the green tea. Oh, it's still in my mouth, the yuzu. Oh, the green tea is a little bit cold. Oh, it's in the freezer for a while. Need to be defrosted. I feel like the green tea not strong enough. The mocha, I could taste more cheese than the mocha. Or maybe I have yuzu cover up, but the cheesecake, the green tea one, definitely like need to be defrosted a little bit before can be served. But the yuzu is good. Yuzu is very good. And this is my dessert. Overall, very satisfying. I would highly recommend to come here and try it out. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.